think that's the flicker. Another one flew up and then it was about to go, and then this one flew up and the other one went away. Come on, focus. There we go. Carrie, this is a good shot. Well, it was. Has to spend an hour and a half checking that everything's okay. Honestly, just eat. Come on. No, it's not okay. Oh, there's the Harry. See what I mean? Kind of a constant stream. Oh, back to the flicker. And out of focus. Come on, get focused. It's focusing on the trees. Might help if I actually... Where'd it go? Got a proper video camera. They're so cool. Yeah, okay. You stopped looking around now, haven't you? You figured it out. Nope, you haven't. Anyway, this is my life.